If you associate that purpose, then you love to do the work. You love to do the work, then where is the question of procrastination? Associate some meaningful purpose, useful purpose to your activities, to your work. Then you're never going to procrastinate. Okay, just assume that employee. If an employee feels office work is boring, hey, my office is boring, like associate a meaningful purpose. I'm providing my skill to become more valuable. I'm improving my skills to become more valuable. I'm earning to protect my family. I'm learning to create my future freedom. Array, these many things are happening just because of this office work. Then obviously, you never going to feel. You never going to feel that it's a boring. So procrastination, if you don't want, associate some meaningful purpose to that activity. Ikigai is going to talk about the same. If a business owner feels tired, morning to evening full busy, what the use? Like if the business owner is going to feel, associate some meaningful purpose. I'm building this business to serve more students. Okay, I'm creating the jobs. I'm solving real problems. If I feel like this, then I never going to feel it is just a work. It is a mission. It is changing the people's lives. Like so, procrastination. One wonderful medicine is, what is that wonderful medicine? Associate some meaningful purpose. Associate some meaningful purpose. Okay. So when the purpose is strong, postponement becomes weak. If your purpose is strong, postponement becomes weak. Sir, what is the example for that? Is best example, consider my case one. 365 days without taking break, every day I took the session. Because I know it is going to change my life. Before starting the sessions, I wrote one paper. And I stick in my room where I'm sleeping on the AC cabin will be there. On that AC box, I stick that paper. Okay, in my restroom, I stick that paper. Have you, Raju, are you there in the session? Raju, not there? Yeah. Here I stick that. In that paper, what I wrote is, what I wrote in that paper is, okay, very simple. Very simple. Okay, I wrote, what the paper I wrote there is, this 1 hour changes my life. What is that one? Can you repeat? This 1 hour changes my life. I wrote that paper and then I started the session. These sessions are going to change my life. I know at the beginning only. That's why I'm not in a position to stop these classes. And I'm always going to do the things forever.